What we have here is a light with a broken cover. Ceiling light, plastic cover. Wah, it's 40 years old. It's allowed to die. Step 1. Take off the cover. We did that. Step 2. Take off the light bulbs. Did that. We can do that. Now, the wires are technically not killed in that if I turn the switch on, there'd be power to the socket. But I'm not gonna do that. No, no, no. Come on. Okay. What do we got? We've got the black wire. That's going to be your power. We've got white wire. That's going to be your return line. And we've got a ground line. All right, let's get rid of them. I'm going to start with the big, dangerous black wire. Okay? And we're going to cover it up. Sorry, no getting to see me go to the hospital this time. You'll notice that has 2 twisties coming down. The black wire had only 1. And they're going someplace else with that. And come on. Get off of there. Old fixture. Oh look, multitasking. There's always spider webs in these. It's always gross. And now, in with the new. Screw 1. Screw 2. Double check the tightness. That is going to hold on to the lighting fixture. New fixture, there's the base. Hot, neutral, ground. I want them all on the same side. Everyone on the same side of the page. Goody. Let's start with the neutral wire. Anything happens, I want the current to be taken away. Yeah, that's in there. Let's advance for the hot wire. Do the hot one. Da, 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 da. Oh, if you can't have fun when you're doing electric. Come on. Tug, tug. Yeah, that's in there. And the neutral. Everybody happy? 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 Well, there's these things, and I've got to line up these with these. Always a fun time. Have you dig through so you can see your finger on the other side. It sometimes makes it easier, and sometimes makes no jolly well difference. You go there, and you go there, and those are not out far enough. Try it. You get one of them on, the other follows. Right there. I see you. There's one. Can we do it with just one? No. We gotta do them both. Okay, that's two. That's tight. That will hold up the pretty. That's the cap nut and the cover plate. In addition, there's this one, another nut, and a rubber washer. Rubber washer is important because you're working with something that's the cover is going to be glass. I might have to change that. Okay, we're going to put this on. Wait. Let's take the foam off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're going to want this to sit all the way up. And that looks about right. Told you I might need to change that. Loosen the locking nut. Tighten the locking nut. I'm going to be decadent. I'm putting in new bulbs. Gotta hold the base on these cheap fixtures. Otherwise you'll rotate the fixture right out on the socket. Now we put on the glass diffuser. We put on the plastic washer. That's important because you cannot, if there's any expansion, it has to go into the plastic, not the glass. If it goes into the glass, it breaky. That's no bueno. And something that you'll notice, this comes all the way down to the diffuser, whereas the other one, there was a gap, which allows bugs in, but it also allows the heat out. With the old style incandescent bulbs, that was important. So now there's enough threading to put the bottom pretty on it. And yep, I've got a nipple hanging from my ceiling. How cool is that? Oh yeah, looks like that in the box. And it looks like that on the ceiling. Pretty cool.